guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am saying goodbye to my YSL toy LOULOU. Unfortunately, she did not work out for me. She's a very beautiful handbag. However, I purchased this bag February 2022. It sat on my shelf in my closet for 1 year. I never reached for it. I tried to carry it one time. It was just unpractical, not usable for me. I think it was just the size of the bag, which is interesting because I own the Coach Cassie 19 and also a Longchamp extra small. Same size, but they hold way more than this bag. I tried to first sell this bag on Fashionphile. Fashionphile was only going to offer me less than half of what I paid originally for the bag. I bought the bag from Bloomingdale's. At the time, it retailed for $16.50, and Fashionphile was going to offer me $5.50. So I wasn't too happy with that offer. So I decided to list it on eBay and Poshmark, and I got my first hit on eBay, and I was able to sell the bag for the original retail price. Today, currently, the same bag retails for $2,090. So I think what helped me out tremendously was the price increase. I never used this bag, so I was able to list it as brand new, never used. I even still have the little plastic cover on here. But it was just too small for me. And I actually do like small handbags, but this one, just not practical. And then at the time I had an iPhone, and then I switched over to the Galaxy S22 Android phone, which is much larger. So I was having an issue with that. There is a small zip pocket back here. You probably can't see it, but once you put maybe a debit card back here, there's almost no use for that zip pocket. And then if you add a phone in here, or in the front pocket, once you put a few things, key pouch, you can even see what the strap is kind of already taking up space. But this is a beautiful bag. It just wasn't practical for me. So my, I guess my tips or recommendations when you are searching for these higher end handbags, just really kind of think about the use that you'll have of it. Is it practical for your everyday lifestyle? And I'm more of a casual person, so, you know, these are the bags that I kind of grab for that are pretty much the same size. As you can see, this is my Coach Cassie. They're pretty similar, but the Coach Cassie holds way more. And then this is the Longchamp. The Longchamp extra small, again, similar in size. Okay, again, this one holds way more. Both of the Longchamp and Coach Cassie, way less, more affordable than this bag. Now I have been watching some reviews on the YSL flap pouch, which I believe is maybe half the cost of what I paid for the LOULOU, the toy LOULOU. And I really wanted to try the YSL brand. So I may actually purchase that YSL flap. From what I could tell by the other YouTube reviews, it looks like it holds actually a little bit more than the YSL toy. So I am thinking about trying that out. But the one thing is, whenever you do, you know, if you're thinking you're going to be reselling an item, just try your best to take really good care of it. I kept everything intact. I still have, you know, you guys I'm sure know that already, keep the, you know, the original box here. I just have a small little dent there, but you know, I just kept all of the original packaging. So that way, when I send it off to be authenticated, I should not have any issues. I have the original receipt. So I should not have any problems with authentication. But I am just glad that I was able to sell it on eBay versus using Fashionphile. So I guess just kind of really do your research if you are reselling items on either of those secondhand seller sites. But unfortunately, the toy LOULOU did not work out for me, but there are some other bags that I have on my radar. So once I complete this transaction, I'll just kind of take my time and see what else I can find and maybe share it with you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. I do take care and be blessed.